What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year's. I hope you guys are having a good time, man. It's been a couple weeks or a weekish. Figured I'd bring you guys another channel update, status on the dually, the 6.7 Cummins, motor rebuild, all that good stuff. Check out the previous videos if you have not seen them yet. I have a playlist, everything set up on the channel, so it's super easy to find it, you guys. Just giving you guys a more recent 2025 update. I think this is my first video for 2025. So make sure you drop a like, make sure you drop a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff to the channel. Let's start the year off with a big bang and on a good note. All right, guys, so first things first, cool thing about having the truck back is I got my tailgate. Tailgate can be used as a kind of like a workbench. So I got all the parts that recently came in. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't think so. But I got all new stuff that came in since the last video. One of them is not for, actually I'm missing an oil pump up here, but that's small. One of them is not for the motor, it's actually for like the inside of the truck. I think you guys are gonna like. That video is gonna be coming on Saturday. This is gonna be getting done this weekend. That's the sick one, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we're working with real quick. All right, you guys, so got everything on the tailgate of the truck right now. So quick update. So went ahead and oil. I do not have the oil pump out here. The oil pump's in the garage. It's an oil pump. I don't think it's that crazy, but we do have a brand new Cummins oil cooler. This is from DK Engine Parts. All this stuff, by the way, you guys, minus that, but all this stuff over here paid for. No sponsorships, like real money. This is from DK Engine Parts. Got this online. So brand new oil cooler. Rebuilding the motor don't be cheap. Get an oil cooler. It's like 150 bucks, so it's worth it. So we got that over here, and obviously shout out to the subscribers because you guys were hooping and hollering about it back when I first talked about rebuilding the motor last month. But we do have the Fleece coolant bypass or coolant reroute. So we're gonna be running this setup. They have cheaper ones online. I was going to, Amazon has one, eBay has one. It's like 120 bucks. It looks just like this, except obviously not Fleece. And it actually had good reviews, but I don't know. I was like, man, this one's proven, like, you know, I don't want that one-off one where the thermostat's cheap and Chinese and it gets stuck open or closed or some wild shit. Plus the Fleece ones look good, man. Like, Fleece does make good looking parts, you know what I'm saying? They got their logo and you get a free koozie. So we got this. When a better time to do this mod when the engine is pulled from the vehicle, right? Because you got to get to the rear of the cylinder head or the rear of the the rear of the block, right? So we got this here. Slide on over up here. This is more aesthetics, plus I just wanted to do it, but I went ahead and we went ahead and got a Wehrli custom fab coolant reservoir. The relocation, or not relocate, but it's just a custom Wehrli fab coolant tank. Thing's sick as heck. Illusion cherry with the brush fin. Built-in sight gauge on the side. I know my buddy Eric over at OKC Garage, I'm pretty sure he has this on his 4th gen truck, this exact one. But we got this right here. This isn't all of it. The rest of the stuff's inside of here. I just didn't want to take it all out just because it's like small stuff. It does come with a new water sensor and I think some clamps and stuff like that. Over here, we have the industrial injection big iron oil pan. So previously I thought part of their oil pan was they kind of made it the weld nut down there, but they kind of made it to where all of the oil is able to drain out, but that's not the case. So the biggest thing you're gonna get with this, with the big iron oil pan compared to just a regular basic oil pan, it's thicker and the lip is reinforced. It's reinforced for people running girdle setups, or yeah, basically if you're running the girdle setup, and it definitely is heavier than a stock oil pan. I can tell you that much. So ended up buying that. I was buying it because I thought it had the oil drain feature, but it didn't. So it is what it is. And then last but not least, we have the Linkswell. Actually, let me swap out real quick. Went ahead and swapped out my camera real quick. So what we have over here, right? This is a Linkswell T-Style Gen 6. It's pretty much a new radio head unit, right? this is legit, man. This got sent out to the channel. I'm going to be doing an independent video on this weekend. This is getting installed in the truck. Part of having the truck back, like I told you guys before, is that I'm able to still work on the truck besides the engine, right? So obviously there's other stuff I want to do on the truck. I have stuff in the garage, right? Bringing it back, when I brought it back, that gives us the ability to do that, right? So over here we have this T-style Android radio unit. This thing is massive, man. Like, this is like, I want to say the bigger, if not the same size as the 5th gen Tesla style radios. I did open it because I couldn't, like, when this showed up, man, like I could not. I'll show you real quick too. If you guys want to know the model, 2014, 18. This retains all your factory features in your truck if you have them. This thing is legit, y'all. And I don't want to, actually, I'm not even going to go too crazy because I don't want to spoil the install video, but just know that that's coming, right? So it's about to get lit with a capital L. All right, guys, so that's honestly all the stuff that came in. I just wanted to show you guys, kind of give you an update on what's going on. I actually just came, before I started filming and stuff, I actually just came from dropping off some stuff at the machine shop because I took everything before, like I said in the last video where I said they have everything, they started building it, but on my behalf I messed up because the coolant, I'm tripping, the connecting rod bolts, he didn't have any. I ordered the ARP stud kit. I thought it came with main studs and connecting bolts, connecting ARP bolts. It did not. It came with main studs and it came with the windage tray fastener bolts from ARP. So I had to order ARP connecting stud or connecting rod bolts that come separate. I ordered those. They came in today. I took it to them so that way they can keep doing what they got to do on the engine. So I went and dropped that off today. Realistically, maybe end of next week, we honestly should have that motor back, at least the bottom end of it, and then still got to take the head off and all that good stuff, right? So it's obviously it's the beginning of the year, so like obviously I'm back working again and stuff like that, and so my schedule's a little hit and miss, but at the end of the day, like, we're moving, you know what I'm saying? So we're making forward progress. So yeah, that's really it, y'all. So, and then this new camera, y'all like that? This is an Osmo, so it can follow me, facial recognition. It's pretty sick. No hands. So this is gonna be cool for videos and stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? So we got some more stuff coming in, y'all. Like, we're at the cusp, man. We're like right there, man. Oh, another thing too, I think I mentioned it before, but I don't remember in the last video. Went ahead and sent off all 6 of my stock injectors. I sent those off to Flux Diesel about a week and a half ago now. They will be going over those and redoing them completely. I ran the Flux Diesel injectors in my 3rd gen, love them. Gonna do it again on the 4th gen. Right now we're looking at between an 80 and 100% over. I would like a little bit of room to grow if I wanted to go up to like a 472, but with the 468, 80% is like they can handle that 10 times a week, you know what I'm saying, twice on Sunday. So injectors are off. Still got to do a CP3, but for the injectors we're looking at about a 6 to 7 week lead, which sometimes you gotta wait, man. Like, you can't really do much about that. So we're waiting on that. When that happens, then we'll take it from there, y'all. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick view of the truck. This camera's sick. Yep, got all the parts on the tailgate. Truck's still here chilling. I still didn't wash it yet. I was waiting on some stuff to come in and it came in, so I just need some time to wash it. But this weekend, probably happen this weekend, we big chilling. So this is where we at, y'all. We just vibing in this bit. So the truck's here, she's still good. I appreciate the messages and the comments I got from you guys. Like, I've gotten a lot of messages lately, people saying, glad I'm keeping the truck. Saying I'm glad I'm keeping the truck, and they're happy to see the build, they can't wait, all that stuff. I'm the same way, y'all. So I do appreciate the vote of confidence and the support of the channel. You guys mean a lot to me, and that means a lot to me. That's why I make these videos. It's gonna be interesting. So with the injector lead time, I was shooting for end of January, but now it's looking more like end of February, just because the injectors. But that's fine though. I'm completely fine with that because I'm not rushing this build. They're going to a company that does excellent work. Like, if y'all don't know about Flux Diesel and their injector works, like, y'all are sleeping under a rock somewhere. So that's gonna be solid. And they're good people, man. Don and Morrison, man, out there in Texas. So they're good folks, man. I know Chris Patterson runs them. A lot of people run their injectors, so you know what I'm saying. But I think that's really it, y'all. So we're gonna wrap this video up so we can get out this pig. This camera's sick, man. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm gonna deuce out. I gotta pack all this stuff up. I'll be back with another update or hopefully some content this weekend for the install of that radio. Let me know what y'all think about it. That's gonna be a full install with details, links, all that good stuff. So until next time, you guys take care, be safe, peace out, and I will see you guys later.